Good morning everyone. We have a very good sunlight today. A beautiful Wednesday. Right here on the job site. Yan, napaganda lang yan. Panahon na yan. Basta yung init. Tamtaman lang, so sigurado hindi uulan ito. I hope so. Kaso lang unpredictable dito yung weather sa Trinidad. So just expect to be unexpected. Yeah. Bundok na yan, Virgin Paris yan. Na yung mga bundok.